Good morning, YouTube. This is Anthony, the Dad Outnumbered, and I am at an epic open space just north of Denver. And today I'm going to take out the X Labs Steez 6-inch drone. This is a custom built, thanks to my buddy Jex FPV. It's rocking T-motor, 2000 kV motor, so it's going to be a 4S run. I have it set up with Crossfire, and it's actually a beautiful place. I can't wait to see how this flight comes out. Man, this was an amazing spot, and the Steez 6-inch had a blast here. There were some little gaps to hit, trees and things to fly through, so I got to come back here with some other drones and some of my buddies. I hope you enjoyed that video. If you have any comments, please leave them below about your favorite 5-inch or freestyle drone, or maybe your favorite place to fly. Looking forward to seeing you in a future video. Thanks, and fly safe.